how to use Microsoft Workbench to connect to a MySQL database. First, download Microsoft Workbench by clicking on the link in Canvas. Once you have downloaded Microsoft Workbench, you can open it and it will look something like this. To create a new connection and save it, you want to click on the plus button. You want to give a name to your connection. We can call it student. And now you want to populate hostname with the hostname I gave you in Canvas. So you can just copy paste the hostname into Microsoft Workbench. Port is by default 3306, and that's actually the port that we need to connect. Username is going to be student, and the password, you can store it in keychain so that you don't have to retype it every time you reconnect to this database. So type your password and click on OK. You can test the connection, and if you did everything correctly, you should see this message saying that you successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK and then OK again to save this connection. To connect, you want to click on student, and this will connect you to the server. The server has two schemas that you see here on the left. Sometimes you won't see the schemas. Make sure that you drag down this menu if the schemas are not displayed. And now you're ready to query the database.